Keep to the right, that's it. Hold on. Remember how you saved it coming down there last time we were out? Yeah. Right, if you weren't a good cyclist, you would not have been able to have saved that. Put your saddle up. That's it, and sit down. You've got good balance. Just have a bit more faith in yourself that you can do this stuff, yeah? It's not as tricky as you think, and a lot of it is just about standing up out of the saddle and keeping your weight as central as you possibly can. And you're getting stronger. Well done. You wouldn't have been able to do that 6 months ago. That's it, out the saddle, well done. Saddle down, that's good, well done. Did it without a word from me as well. That's it. Put it into a hard gear. Well done. Carry on, it's fine. Put it into a harder gear. And again. There you go. To the right. Well, it depends. We can go back to the car and go left if you want, or you can go to the right and carry on. That is the right.